In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page in Squarespace. Whether you're building a brand new website or updating an existing one, knowing how to add pages is essential for organizing your content and improving navigation for your visitors. Squarespace makes this process straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident adding pages to any website you're working on. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. To begin, head over to Squarespace by navigating to their official website and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, which displays all the websites you're managing. From here, select the website where you want to add a new page. This step is particularly important if you manage multiple sites, as it ensures you're working on the correct project. After selecting your website, you'll be taken to the site editing area. This is where all the customization happens. On the left-hand side, locate and click on the Pages section in the menu. This section is key because it displays all the current pages on your site, giving you a clear view of your site's navigation structure. It's like seeing the blueprint of your website, making it easier to plan how your new page will fit in. Next, look for the plus sign, which can be found either at the top or the bottom of the current page list. Clicking this icon opens the option to add a new page. Now, from the menu that appears, choose Blank Page. Starting with a blank page offers you a clean slate, giving you complete freedom to add content and structure the page exactly as you need. Once your blank page is created, you'll need to give it a name. This name is important because it helps you stay organized and communicates to your visitors what the page is about. For example, you might name it About Us, Services, or Contact. Don't worry if you're unsure about the name at this stage. You can always adjust it later to better suit your site's needs. After naming your page, confirm its creation. This step ensures that the page is officially added to your site and ready to be customized. At this point, you've successfully added a new page to your Squarespace website, and all that's left is to make it your own. Now it's time to customize your new page. You can add text, images, videos, or any other content that fits your vision. Squarespace offers a variety of tools and design elements to help you create a professional and visually appealing page. Take your time experimenting with layouts and features to make sure your new page aligns with the style and purpose of your site. And that's how you add a new page in Squarespace. By following these steps, you've learned how to expand your website's structure and create fresh spaces for your content. If you have any questions or need help with other Squarespace features, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.